Construction champions, it's your host Ron Nussbaum, and we are here for a special edition, a special episode of Construction Champions Podcast. I want to wish everybody out there a happy new year. Today, 2024 starts, and I'm glad that you're starting 2024 with Construction Champions Podcast. As you can tell, if you're watching on video, it's just going to be me today. And I want to provide some updates. I want to talk about where we're headed in 2024 as a podcast. And most importantly, thank you for all the support last year. We released 95 episodes, 95 powerful episodes that are complete game changers. I learned something on every one of them. I don't know about you, but I definitely did. And the construction industry is definitely a better place for everybody getting together and sharing their knowledge here. Construction Champions Podcast will continue to roll out 2 episodes a week in 2024. So you can just imagine how many more great interviews and great guests we're going to have on the show, where they're going to share their knowledge, their track record, their history on how we can learn from their mistakes or how we can just be better as an industry together. I've had a lot of great feedback last year. We had a lot of great reviews. The emails have been fantastic. The partnerships, the sponsorships. It has truly been amazing. And recording this podcast has become one of my absolute favorite things to do. When I get up and I get the opportunity to talk to champions in the construction industry, it brings me a lot of pride to be able to bring this show to you guys. Something I should have started doing 5, 6, 7, 8 years ago, but here we are. 2023 was the launching point. So 2024 will be considered our second season. My goal is to release over 100 episodes. It should be over 100 episodes. We hit 95, like I said, in 2023, but we're doing it a little bit different here throughout the entire year in 2024. What I would really love is for you guys to let me know, who would you like to be on the show? I get emails all the time. You can go to constructionchampionspodcast.com and email me directly from there, or comment on one of our posts, or message me, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Ron Nussbaum, Ron Wesley Nussbaum, Money Ron Wesley. Like, I'm pretty easy to find out there. Tell me who you would like to have as a guest. Who's that one person we haven't had on the show that you're like, I really want to know what they think makes a construction champion? And I'll reach out to them. We'll get them on the show. As we continue to grow this, our listeners continue to grow. You guys are the reason why I do the show. You're the reason why the guests come on the show, because we truly want to have an impact in the industry. You will see me speaking more live headed into 2024. I'm going to continue to push the boundaries on what is possible in the construction industry, not just for myself, but for everybody out there running a company. As we continue to grow, we're going to grow together. Like I said, I learn something new every day from this show. When I talk to guys, it's absolutely fascinating where the construction industry is at and where it is headed in 2024. So with that being said, it's going to be a short episode. I just wanted to jump on here and personally thank you for all the support last year and for the support headed into 2024 as we continue to talk about what makes a construction champion right here on Construction Champions Podcast. So until next time, go be the champion you were meant to be.